And if you know the parotid gland's nerve supply, then we can demonstrate the Frey syndrome. So in case of Frey syndrome, what is happening is, sometimes after parotidectomy, the regeneration of the nerves will occur in such a way that some of the fibers of auriculotemporal nerve will go and will unite with the great auricular nerve branches. Okay. So whenever a person is chewing, okay, so naturally whenever chewing, the salivation has to produce, along with salivation, along with the stimulation, some of the branches is going and supplying the great auricular nerve, which in turn supply the superficial part, the skin of the gland. So whenever salivation is occurring, chewing is occurring, the great auricular nerve branches through the auriculotemporal will also get stimulated, and in that stimulation will cause redness and sweating in this area of parotid region. So whenever person is chewing, redness and sweating will occur in the region of the parotid because of the faulty regeneration of fibers. So some fibers of auriculotemporal will get mixed up with the great auricular. So whenever auriculotemporal is stimulated, the part of the great auricular will also get stimulated in the form of redness and sweating. That is known as Frey syndrome. Okay.